Murata, the world's #1 manufacturer of multi-layer ceramic capacitors, is also a global leader in the design, manufacture and supply of advanced electronic materials, leading-edge electronic components, multifunctional high-density modules, and energy-efficient power conversion devices. These serve as the basis for our innovative data center solutions. In data centers, maximizing performance in a limited space is a constant challenge, with every component choice potentially impacting stability, speed, or reliability. Murata creates innovative components to enable design engineers to meet this challenge. Our ECAS series polymer aluminium electrolytic capacitors deliver stable power in ultra-low profile packages. Murata's BLM31 and BLE32 filters reduce power line noise while achieving low power consumption. Our low ESL MLCCs are designed to reduce component count with effective noise suppression in high-speed signal lines. Murata's high-reliability GRM and GRW MLCCs are ideal for highly compact circuit design. Murata crystal units provide precise frequency control and high resistance to solder cracks. Murata's NCU series NTC thermistors provide precise temperature monitoring, while our PRF series PTC thermistors offer accurate overheat detection in FETs and power ICs. The decoupling capacitors and coupling capacitors can be placed directly next to the die on the CPU. Power integrity becomes even more critical beneath the CPU, where Murata's IPAS embedded capacitor substrate technology provides a unique solution. Integrated through holes deliver large currents directly inside the substrate, so capacitors connect at the shortest possible distance to the power path, reducing ESL and improving power integrity. As capacitors are embedded directly under the load, high-frequency impedance is further reduced for maximum CPU response speed and stability. Murata's ultra-low ESL silicon capacitors can also be embedded to offer further enhancements to the board. Placed much closer to the die than MLCCs, eliminating anti-resonance peaks at higher frequencies. IPAS and UESL silicon capacitors are available in customizable sizes and configurations. Engineered to help you create servers that are robust, efficient, and easy to maintain. Murata also offers OCP Open Rack compliant power systems to meet the evolving challenges of modern data center infrastructure. Our OCPv3 Open Rack compliant power systems come with 21.6 kilowatt or 33 kilowatt output power in both 21-inch and 19-inch form factors. The power shelves can house up to 6 of our 3.6 kilowatt or 5.5 kilowatt titanium efficiency power supply units. Our remote management unit can monitor and control the power supply units via PM bus and can communicate with the host system via Ethernet using SNMP. Redfish protocol is also supported for added flexibility. The shelf is configured with a press-fit DC output connector that contacts the Open Rack V3 busbar. 2 AC input connectors are provided for AC redundancy, configured to power a group of 3 power supply units each. They can accommodate either 3-phase WYE or 3-phase Delta AC power. For systems that require 12-volt DC output, Murata offers 1 OU or 2 OU OCPv2 compliant power systems that can be used in a 21-inch or 19-inch rack. Our 12-volt DC power shelf can accommodate up to 6 3-kilowatt power supply units, delivering 15 kilowatts in an N+1 or 9 kilowatts in an N+N configuration. It has dual AC input connectors that support single-phase AC, three-phase AC, or HVDC input configurations for increased flexibility. 6 C13 AC outlets can power additional peripheral equipment in the rack. Murata, innovator in electronics. For more information, visit murata.com and search Open Compute Data Center.